Hello everybody. Now this is one live data recovery case study on one laptop Toshiba hard drive. When the user connected the drive to the PC, all the partitions have been lost and no data are accessible. Now I have connected this Toshiba laptop hard drive to the DFL SRP data recovery hardware. And let's check how to recover the lost partitions and data quickly. Power on the drive. Now the drive gets ready. Let's go to set up new project for this data recovery case. Next, file extraction. Okay, now we can see that the DFL DDP data recovery program cannot list all the lost partitions automatically. So at this time, we need to scan the lost partitions manually. So scan lost partitions. Here, we can see that we use the default settings. Scan by sector, forward scan, menu scan. Now start scan. We can see that after some time, after some LBA scanning, no partitions can be found. And when we found, we can see these partitions, it's Apple HFS file system and capacity is 0. That means this partition is not correct. So we don't need to save this partition. That means if we scan forward, it may not be correct. So at this time, we can try to stop the scan and we use reverse scanning to check if we can find the right partitions. Now we start again. At this time, if we can find the first partition, the capacity is 25.78 gigabytes. So this one seems correct, so we need to save it. Now find another partition, save it, another, save it. Now we have found 4 lost partitions by the scanning, reverse scanning, remember. So at this time we can find the scan is complete. So we need to select these 4 lost partitions and click Save Selected. Now we can see that all the lost 4 partitions have been listed directly here. Now we can see all the files, lost files are here. So users just need to select the correct or select the wanted folders and right-click to recover selected files, and then all the files and folders will be recovered. So this drive is from one client, and it takes minutes to recover the lost data for the client. And we just need to ask the client to prepare one target drive to put the wanted data. Right-click, recover select file, and then select the good drive to put all the selected files. So it's very easy to recover such kind of cases by partition loss. Thank you for watching this video.